Hello, my friends. I am very happy to see you here today. Thank you for joining me. If you are new here, welcome. If you have been here before, thank you for coming back. This is a place where we learn English together in a fun and friendly way. We take small steps, but each step helps us grow. You do not need to feel afraid or shy here. We are all learning together. Today, I want to tell you about a simple way to learn English. It is called listen and repeat. This means you will listen to me say something, and then you will say the same thing. First, I will speak. You listen carefully. Then you repeat the words after me. Try to say them like I do. Copy my voice, my tone, and my speed. It is fine if you do not get it right the first time. Practice will make you better every day. This method is very good for beginners. You do not need to study many rules. You do not need a big book. All you need is your ears to listen, your mouth to speak, and your heart to try. When you listen and repeat, you start to speak more. When you speak more, you learn faster. You will hear the sounds of English, and your mouth will learn how to make them. You will feel more confident. Little by little, you will speak better. Many people have used this method. They started with short words and easy sentences. After some time, they could talk about many things. They could ask questions, give answers, and share their ideas. You can do the same. You can practice at home, in the park, or on a bus. You can practice with me here, or you can practice with a friend. It does not matter where you are. What matters is that you try. Before we start, let's make a promise to ourselves. We will listen with care. We will speak with courage. We will not be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are our teachers. They help us get better. If you make a mistake, smile and try again. Every time you try, you learn something new. So, are you ready? Take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. Open your ears and your mind. We are going to enjoy this time together. Today we will listen, repeat, and learn. Let's begin this fun journey with our story. Let's begin our story for today. Our story is about a boy named Ben. Ben lives in a small, quiet town near the mountains. The air is fresh and the streets are calm. Ben loves his town, but today is special. Today he will travel to the city to visit his uncle. It will be his first time taking the train alone. The morning is bright and sunny. Ben wakes up early. He washes his face, brushes his teeth, and eats a big breakfast. He drinks a glass of water and puts on his favorite blue hat. He checks his bag. Inside he has a bottle of water, a sandwich, an apple, and a small notebook. He wants to draw the things he sees on the trip. Ben walks to the train station. He hears birds singing in the trees. The station is busy. People are talking. reading newspapers and drinking coffee. Ben looks at his ticket. It says seat number 8 by the window. He finds the seat and sits down. He feels happy because he can see outside. A few minutes later, a woman comes to him and says, "Excuse me, I think this is my seat." Ben checks his ticket again. Oh no, his seat is number 18, not number 8. Ben smiles and says, "I'm sorry." The woman smiles back and says, "It's okay." Ben moves to seat number 18, which is near the aisle. He feels a little shy, but also proud that he solved the problem politely. The train starts to move. Ben looks out the window and sees green fields, rivers, and small houses. He opens his notebook and draws a big mountain. A man near him is reading a book. A child is eating cookies. A woman is listening to music. The train stops at small stations and new people come in. Some carry bags, some carry flowers, and one man has a guitar. Ben watches the clock. He thinks, how many minutes left? After 2 hours, he sees tall buildings, busy roads, and many cars. The city is big and full of life. The train stops. Ben gets off and sees his uncle waiting. They smile and hug. Ben says, "I did it. I took the train alone." He feels proud and happy. It is a big day for him, and he knows he can travel again in the future. Now let's spend more time practicing and reviewing. We will start by repeating some useful phrases from Ben's trip. Listen to me, then say them after me. Excuse me, I think this is my seat. Let me check my ticket. I'm sorry. It's okay. Where is the train? How many minutes left? Great. Let's say each phrase slowly. Focus on the sounds. Try to make your voice match mine. Remember to move your mouth and lips the same way. You can even watch yourself in a mirror while you speak. Now, let's talk about how to use these phrases. Imagine you are on a bus, a train, or a plane. If someone is sitting in your seat, you can say, "Excuse me, I think this is my seat." If you're not sure, you can say, "Let me check my ticket." If you make a mistake, say, "I'm sorry." If someone says sorry to you, smile and say, "It's okay." These phrases are simple, but they are polite and friendly. Let's try a short role play. I will be the passenger and you will be the traveler. Ready? I say, "Excuse me, I think this is my seat." You answer, "Let me check my ticket." Good. Now switch roles. You ask me, "Where's the train?" I answer, "It's over there." Practice like this with a friend or even by yourself. Here's a tip. You can write these phrases on small cards. Read them in the morning, in the afternoon, and before bed. You can even say them while walking or cooking. The more you use them, the easier they become. Remember, English learning is like a journey. Every day you listen, speak, and repeat, you take another step forward. Don't rush. Enjoy each step. If you make a mistake, it is not a problem. Mistakes are like teachers. They help you see what you can do better. Before we finish, let's repeat all the phrases again, but this time with a smile and a loud voice. Smile because learning is fun. Loud voice because speaking clearly is important. Ready? Let's go. You are doing an amazing job, and I am proud of you. Keep practicing every day, and soon you will see big changes in your English. See you in the next lesson.